Looking to level up your tech game and grab gadgets that actually make life easier? You're in the right spot. In this video, we're showcasing 10 insanely cool gadgets every man will want in 2026, packed with style, innovation, and real-world functionality. From smart accessories and cutting-edge tech to must-have tools for work, travel, fitness, and entertainment, these picks aren't just flashy. They deliver performance and serious wow factor. Whether it's for yourself or the perfect gift, get ready to see gear that will change the way you live, work, and play. BodyPark Atom. The BodyPark Atom is changing the way people train by bringing elite-level AI coaching into everyday workouts. Using advanced motion tracking with a 100-degree and 60-degree wide-angle camera, it analyzes 34 body key points in real time to count reps, correct form, and track performance without any wearables. It delivers instant voice feedback, adaptive training plans, and detailed post-workout insights that help you improve faster and train smarter. Lightweight and portable, Atom is perfect for both home and gym use, featuring a sharp 1.43-inch AMOLED display for clear guidance. Once reserved for professional athletes, this premium fitness tech is now accessible, with early Kickstarter pricing around $119 to $139, making BodyPark Atom a powerful companion for anyone serious about fitness. G1T4 M1N1 Droid. The G1T4 M1N1 droid from Piaggio. Fast Forward is a unique blend of practical robotics and Star Wars nostalgia. This special edition cargo-carrying robot autonomously follows you using cameras, sensors, and intuitive pedestrian etiquette while carrying up to 20 pounds of gear in its bin. Enhanced with custom droid-inspired sounds, LED light patterns, and Bluetooth connectivity via the Mageda app, it offers both utility and personality. Designed with licensing from Disney and Lucasfilm, it brings sci-fi flair to everyday tasks. Priced at around $2,875, this limited edition is ideal for tech lovers and fans alike. Tobin 1. The Tobin 1 modular magnetic hub transforms desktop connectivity by giving users a smarter, cleaner, and fully customizable workspace. Built around an ultra-slim base, it features swappable magnetic modules that snap into place, offering USB, USB-C, wireless charging, volume control, and programmable macro keys exactly where you need them. With support for up to 12 total ports, Tobin 1 reduces cable clutter while allowing your setup to evolve as your workflow changes. Designed for professionals, creators, and tech enthusiasts, it delivers long-term adaptability without sacrificing minimalist design. Instead of replacing your hub, you simply reconfigure it, making Tobin 1 a future-ready solution that keeps your desk organized, efficient, and perfectly tailored to how you work every day. Seaside Suction Cups. The Seaside Suction Cups lifter is a professional-grade tool designed to make heavy lifting safer, easier, and far more efficient. With an impressive holding capacity of up to 440 pounds, it allows you to lift glass, tiles, stone, metal, and other smooth surfaces with confidence and control. Built from durable rubber and ABS materials, it delivers strong, long-lasting suction even during demanding tasks. The red line safety indicator provides instant visual confirmation of a secure grip, reducing risk during heavy lifts. Easy to operate and highly versatile, this tool is perfect for construction work, renovations, and tough home projects where strength, reliability, and precision truly matter. Tikiuki Plasma Lighter. The Tikiuki Plasma Lighter blends bold design with modern performance, making it far more than an ordinary lighter. Its windproof dual-arc plasma ignition works flawlessly in rain or strong wind, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, travel, and everyday carry. The engraved metal body paired with a striking blue cat's eye stone gives it a premium collectible look that stands out instantly. Integrated LED lighting and a built-in clock with color-changing LEDs add both functionality and visual flair. USB rechargeable with smart power protection, it eliminates fuel hassles and delivers consistent performance, offering a sleek, reliable, and futuristic alternative to traditional lighters. Acer 3-in-1 Charging Station. The Acer 3-in-1 charging station is a clean and reliable power solution designed especially for Apple users who want simplicity without cable clutter. It wirelessly charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods at the same time, delivering fast, MagSafe aligned power for phones, along with dedicated outputs for watches and earbuds. The foldable, travel-friendly design makes it easy to slip into a bag, perfect for home, office, or on-the-go setups. Built-in safety protections ensure stable, worry-free charging, while the sleek non-slip surface keeps devices securely in place. With wide compatibility and a minimalist look, it's a smart upgrade for desks, nightstands, and travel setups alike. Intertool Lightweight Axe. The Intertool Lightweight Axe delivers impressive cutting performance in a compact, easy-to-carry design built for real outdoor work. Weighing just 1 pound, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and yard tasks without sacrificing strength or control. The carbon steel blade features a non-stick, corrosion-resistant coating that allows for cleaner, deeper cuts with less effort. Its shock-absorbing composite handle reduces hand fatigue during extended use, while the non-slip ergonomic grip ensures safety and precision in every swing. Compact yet dependable, this axe is a practical tool for anyone who needs reliable performance in a lightweight, no-nonsense package. Hagibis Magnetic Concentrator. The Hagibis Magnetic Concentrator, USB-C hub, is a powerhouse gadget that brings full functionality to laptops and devices in one compact design. Combining 100 watts, PD fast charging, 4K 60Hz, HDMI output, dual card readers, ultra-fast 10 gigabits per second, USB-C and USB-A ports, plus a 3.5mm AUX jack, it handles everything from high-speed data transfer to seamless screen expansion. Its magnetic design keeps it securely attached to laptops, phones, or accessories, making it perfect for professionals, content creators, and frequent travelers. With direct video storage and effortless multitasking, Hagibis makes productivity smoother, faster, and smarter wherever you go. Thunderbolt knee pads. The Thunderbolt knee pads are a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand comfort, protection, and durability. The 2025 upgraded double gel design provides exceptional cushioning and superior shock absorption, while heavy-duty neoprene, ballistic nylon, and engineered PVC ensure long-lasting performance. The non-slip Thunder Shield protects your knees, clothing, and surfaces from nails, screws, and debris, making tough jobs safer and cleaner. Ergonomically designed with reinforced stitching and a soft gel core, these knee pads deliver reliable support for construction, gardening, flooring, and countless other demanding tasks, keeping you comfortable and protected all day. Wuben X4 Flashlight. The Wuben X4 flashlight is a compact, versatile lighting solution that packs serious power in a small package. Delivering up to 1,500 lumens with a 205-meter beam, it's perfect for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, or tactical use. Dual light sources include a warm side light and RGB mode for versatile applications, while its unique toggle and rotary switches allow stepless dimming and easy mode selection. The tactical tail switch and magnetic tail add hands-free convenience, and at just 137 grams, it's lightweight and portable with an extended clip. With up to 285 hours of runtime and a clear battery indicator, Wuben X4 ensures reliable illumination whenever and wherever you need it.